Unleashed on the highway, the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 redefines speed. Its ram air system gorging on the
Pure analog speed. This is the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11. Like and subscribe to see which icon enters the factory next.
Massive cargo shipment Kawasaki trucks arrive, delivering the high-grade aluminum destined to become the revolutionary twin-spar frame of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11.
Clear!
Kawasaki Workers C supervises the unloading of aluminum billets, the lightweight material required. These raw metal ingots are inspected for purity. Insurance.
Thousands of tons of raw material sit ready, marking the beginning of the industrial journey for every new Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 produced.
Inside the foundry, aluminum ingots melt at extreme temperatures, preparing to be cast into the massive twin-spar perimeter frame.
Workers F monitors the molten liquid, ensuring the alloy composition is precise for the rigid geometry required by the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11.
Precision die casting molds are prepped and cleaned, ready to shape the molten metal into the hollow aluminum box sections of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 frame. Simultaneously, high-strength steel bars arrive, destined to become the heavy-duty crankshaft and transmission gears of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11. Automated saws slice the steel with heavy-duty precision, creating the raw billets that will eventually handle the torque of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11.
Kawasaki Workers H inspects the raw steel billets, rejecting any size deviations.
Sacks of industrial-grade ABS plastic pellets arrive, ready for injection molding into the slippery, wind tunnel-tested bodywork of the
Spools of wiring and thick rubber intake hoses are cataloged, essential for the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11's pioneering sealed intake system.
Kawasaki Workers D approves the inventory checklist, signaling forklifts to move these prepared materials toward the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 chassis line.
Robotic welding arms descend, fusing the massive aluminum twin-spar perimeter frame, the rigid skeleton designed to tame the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 at top speed. Kawasaki Workers E inspects the structural welds, ensuring the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 chassis possesses the unwavering stability required for high-velocity touring.
Simultaneously, the stout aluminum swing arm is welded, a rigid beam Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 engineered to
Kawasaki Workers G hangs the massive chassis components, sending the raw Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 frames into a chemical wash to remove machining oil and debris. High-pressure chemical jets strip away grease, preparing the complex surfaces of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 twin-spar frame for its protective coating. Printers apply a flawless coat of metallic paint, electrostatically bonding it to the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 frame for corrosion resistance and style.
Kawasaki Workers T performs a tactile and verifying Ninja ZX-11 chassis. Verify sand.
Workers F uses a hydraulic press to seat the steering bearings, a critical step for stability given the substantial weight of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11.
Kawasaki Workers A assembles the swing arm, installing the signature eccentric adjusters that allow easy chain tensioning on the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11. Kawasaki Workers D scans the components, digitally marrying the swing arm to the main chassis for this specific Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 unit. Kawasaki technicians bolt on the steel rear subframe, finalizing the structure that will support the rider, passenger, and luggage on the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11.
A precision laser etches the unique VIN, giving the specific Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 its permanent legal identity before assembly begins. The completed chassis lineup moves toward the main assembly hall, where these empty skeletons will evolve into the fully functional Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11.
The main assembly hall reveals the sheer scale of production, where skilled African-American male Kawasaki technicians or
the aluminum chassis descends from the overhead track, locking onto a mobile assembly dolly that will carry the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 to completion.
Kawasaki Workers B secures the chassis, ensuring the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 frame is rigid and stable for the installation of its heavy powertrain. Kawasaki Workers D attaches the unique build manifesto, a document that dictates every specific component and color code for this individual Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11. The assembly line winds through the factory like a river, a carefully calculated path.
Kawasaki Workers G prepares a kitting tote, gathering the heavy-duty fasteners required, eliminating errors during the assembly of
overhead displays monitor the heartbeat of the factory, ensuring the production rate of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 meets global demand.
Check. Kawas F calibrates the high-tech torque tools, guaranteeing that every bolt on the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 is tightened to factory specifications.
The entire line advances in unison, a synchronized pulse that moves the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 one step closer to its final form.
Kawasaki Workers E applies protective film to critical areas, shielding the pristine finish of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 frame from accidental tool scratches.
The main wiring harness arrives, a complex network of copper and connectors that will become the central nervous system of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11.
Before the main assembly continues, we shift focus to the sub-assembly stations, where complex modules for the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 are prepared offline.
Here, skilled Kawasaki technicians build the critical subcomponents that will soon be integrated into the growing structure of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11. Precision hydraulics are assembled for the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 front suspension, where 43mm conventional forks are tuned to absorb high-speed highway imperfections.
Kawasaki Workers F assembles the 4-piston taco calipers, ensuring the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11.
The cockpit comes alive. The legendary 320 kilometer is calibrated.
Kawasaki Workers G installed the clip-on handlebars, positioned to balance high-speed control.
Rubber grips are bonded to the bars, connecting the rider to the immense power delivery of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11.
Kawasaki Workers E assembles the revolutionary ram air intake snout, the system that force-feeds cool air to the Kawasaki.
The high-capacity fuel tank components are sealed, ready to feed the thirsty 1052cc Kawasaki Ninja.
The flush-mount fuel cap is fitted and tested, securing the massive fuel load required for the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11's impressive touring range.
Kawasaki Worker C assembles the rear shock with its remote reservoir, suspension, Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 engineering.
Automated machines mount Z-rated tires onto the 3-spoke alloy wheels, the only rubber capable of withstanding the top speed of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11. Each wheel is dynamically balanced, ensuring the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 remains stable and vibration.
Multi-spindle drivers secure the dual 320mm floating discs, guaranteeing reliable braking performance for the heavyweight Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11.
Kawasaki Workers D organizes the finished subassemblies onto a mobile rack, sending the suspension, wheels, and controls to meet the waiting Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 chassis. The subassemblies arrive at the main line, ready to be integrated into the growing structure of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11.
The heart of the Speed King is born, the 1052cc inline-4 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 engine block.
Kawasaki Workers A installs the heavy forged crankshaft, the rotating backbone balanced to smooth out vibrations at 11,000 RPM.
The 16-valve cylinder head is mated to the block, sealing the combustion chambers where the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 generates.
Kawasaki Workers E sets the cam timing with absolute precision, ensuring the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 valve train.
The 6-speed transmission slides in, a robust gearbox with ratios specifically chosen to propel the.
Kawasaki technicians stack the plates for the hydraulic clutch, a premium feature that ensures consistent lever feel, even.
Automated dispensers apply sealant before the covers are bolted on, hermetically sealing the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11.
The bank of 4 massive Keihin 40mm carburetors is installed, the mechanical lungs responsible for mixing.
High-performance ignition coils are seated, ready to deliver the spark that ignites the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11's powerful combustion cycle. Every Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 engine undergoes a cold test, spun by electric motors to verify oil.
At the marriage station, the aluminum twin-spar chassis meets the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 engine as the 1000.
Brunson's, Kawasaki technicians secure the Kawasaki ZX-11 mounts, making the Kawasaki Ninja ZX rougher a copy. The high-capacity curved radiator is installed, ensuring the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 engine stays. The exhaust headers are bolted on, the first stage of the dual exhaust system that gives the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 its balanced look and sound. Kawasaki Workers F installs the signature dual exhaust mufflers, a defining stylistic element that balances the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 both visually and dynamically.
Kawasaki Workers G routes the wiring loom, securing the electrical lifelines that will control the ignition and lighting of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11. The electronic ignition brain is installed, the solid-state unit that manages the precise spark timing for the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11.
Kawasaki Workers B mounts the rear fender and the sturdy passenger grab handle, a nod to the sport touring capabilities of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11.
Vibration-isolating foot pegs are installed, designed to provide all-day comfort while keeping the rider connected to the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 chassis. The famous front cowl is fitted, housing the single-flush headlight and the central ram air intake that became the visual signature of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11.
Kawasaki workers installs expensive lengths, sculpting the air side fairing to cool.
Flush-mounted turn signals are installed, eliminating protruding stalks to reduce drag on the sleek Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 profile.
Interior cockpit panels are fitted, creating a clean, finished environment for the rider behind the handlebars of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11.
Kawasaki Workers C inspects the fit and finish, ensuring the aerodynamic bodywork of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 is seamless to slice through the air.
With its bodywork secured and legendary silhouette complete, the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 moves forward to receive its electrical testing.
The analog cockpit awakens. Kawasaki Workers D connects the test rig, calibrating the legendary speedometer.
The fuel and temperature gauges are calibrated, critical instruments for the long-distance touring the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 was built to conquer.
Kawasaki Workers G cycles the powerful headlight, ensuring the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 provides the illumination needed for high-speed night runs.
The flush-mounted signals are tested, verifying the aerodynamic lighting system that helped the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 slice through the wind.
Kawasaki Workers A verifies the choke lever action, the manual cold start control that connects the rider directly to the bank of Keihin carburetors.
The electrical center is sealed, protecting the circuits that manage the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11's raw power and lighting. The heavy-duty battery is installed, providing the cranking amps needed to turn over the high-compression 152cc Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 engine.
The side stand safety switch is tested, a crucial interlock preventing the rider from taking off with the stand down on the heavy Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11.
The warning light cluster is verified, the simple but vital communication array between the Kawasaki Ninja engine and its pilot.
The charging system is verified, ensuring the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 alternator can keep up with the electrical demands of a long-distance tour.
Kawasaki Workers D inspects the steering loom, ensuring the wiring harness is free from binding during the full range of motion of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 handlebars.
The center stand retraction is checked, ensuring this touring convenience feature tucks away neatly to preserve cornering clearance.
The lifeblood is infused. Precision dispensers fill the crankcase with high-grade oil, vital for protecting the Kawasaki.
Coolant is added to the system, preparing the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 to shed the massive heat generated during high-speed runs.
Kawasaki Workers B rotates the eccentric hub, a signature Kawasaki feature that allows easy and precise chain tensioning for the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 owner.
Laser alignment confirms the rear wheel tracking is perfect, essential for stability when the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 approaches its top speed limits.
Kawasaki Workers G details the cockpit area, ensuring the fit and finish around the dash matches the premium status of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11.
Kawasaki Workers E mounts the aerodynamic mirrors, ensuring the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 rider can monitor the road behind while tucked in.
The broad, comfortable dual seat is latched into place, defining the sport touring comfort that made the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 a legend. Kawasaki Workers A applies the iconic model designation, the final branding that identifies this machine.
Kawasaki Workers F sets the final tire pressure, ensuring the Z-rated rubber is ready to support the weight and speed of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11.
Kawasaki Workers D applies paint witness marks, a visual guarantee that every critical fastener on the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 has been tightened and inspected.
Released from the assembly dolly, the fully built Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 rolls toward the final test booth for its first run.
The 1052cc Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 engine wakes up, a smooth, powerful idle that hints.
Kawasaki Workers F runs through the 6-speed transmission, verifying the gearbox shifts cleanly and the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 speedometer tracks true.
Check. The speedometer calibration is verified, ensuring the rider gets an accurate reading as the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 approaches the
The braking system is tested against the roller momentum, ensuring the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 can shed speed as quickly as it gains it.
Workers E fine-tunes the carburetor synchronization, ensuring the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 idles smoothly and responds instantly to the throttle.
Exiting the dyno, the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 enters the UV inspection booth to ensure the Kawasaki Ninja ZX engine and cooling system are absolutely tight.
Kawasaki Workers G scans every seal, confirming the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 powertrain is leak-free and ready for the long haul.
Kawasaki Workers C performs a detailed inspection of the massive bodywork, ensuring the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 looks as good as it performs. The pass stamp is applied, releasing this Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 from the factory floor to claim its title on the road.
With performance validated and quality assured,
The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 proceeds to packaging.
The journey nears its end. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 arrives at the cradding zone, ready to be secured for shipment.
Kawasaki workers secure the front wheel, anchoring the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 firmly to prevent movement during its global transit.
The rear suspension is compressed and secured, locking the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 in place to withstand the rigors of shipping.
Kawasaki Workers G wraps the windscreen and mirrors, shielding the aerodynamic elements of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 from scratches.
The accessory box is secured, containing the tools and a manual that will guide the new owner of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11.
Kawasaki Workers C seals the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 in a protective cover, preserving its pristine condition for the voyage. Kawasaki Workers D applies the shipping manifest, sending this Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 to a rider ready to test its limits on the open road.
Crated Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 joins the fleet, a stack of machines ready to dominate the 90s sport touring scene.
The warehouse holds the legend. Rows of Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11s waiting to be unleashed.
Kawasaki Worker C stands ready to bid farewell to the Speed King.
And this is how modern factories produce the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 from start to finish.
The doors close, sealing the shipment of Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11s for their journey to speed freaks worldwide.
As the sun sets, the manufacturing ends, but the legend of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 is just beginning.
Unleashed on the highway, the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 redefines speed. Its ram air system gorging on the
Pure analog speed. This is the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11. Like and subscribe to see which icon enters the factory next.